Hello, doers. My name is Jose Ignacio, and welcome back. Today, we are going to be learning all about AI agents. AI agents are smart assistants built directly into Odoo. They understand natural language, can retrieve information, and even perform real actions inside of your database. Instead of navigating menus step by step, you can simply tell the system what you want to do. AI agents are different from chatbots. While chatbots follow a pre written script and can perform actions based on that script, AI agents are capable of taking actions on your behalf. They're structured, controlled, and designed to work within your business processes. Before creating agents, we should understand how they actually work. So, at the core of every AI agent is something called a prompt. A prompt is simply a set of instructions that tells the AI a couple of things. Firstly, how it should behave, what role should it take, and what kind of answer should it provide. In Odoo, each agent requires a system prompt. This acts like the agent's mission statement. It defines its personality, its responsibilities, and its boundaries. For some more examples of best practices for writing prompts and creating new agents, be sure to check out the videos linked below. Now, the next thing that we're going to talk about is topics. So, topics guide the conversation. They tell the agent what types of tasks that it can handle, when it should take action, which tools it can use. If an agent doesn't have any topics assigned, it can still answer questions, but it can't perform actions in the database. The AI app comes with several pre-configured topics, such as we have View Builder. This is how you can ask the agent to open new views, change search parameters, and even run reports. We have Information Retrieval, which this topic lets you ask questions and the agent reads the appropriate fields and views to give you the answers that you're looking for. We can also create leads. When the CRM app is installed, this topic creates leads based on all of the conversation. So each topic includes detailed instructions that explain how the agent should behave in that specific context. Okay, now let's actually talk about tools. So tools are the actual actions the agent can perform. For example, opening a view, searching records, and creating a lead. So tools are what transform the agent from something that simply responds into something that actually works inside of Odoo. And depending on which apps you have installed, different tools will be available. So, to recap, topics tell the agent what to do, tools are how they do it. Do you have that? I hope so. Alrighty, now we're going to move on. So, finally, we have sources. Sources are the information the agent can reference when generating answers. These include, and this is kind of cool, PDFs, web links, documents, knowledge articles. For example, if you want an internal support assistant, you can connect it to your knowledge articles so that it answers questions based on your company documentation. And if you enable restrict to sources, the agent will only respond using the information that you've provided, no tainted data. This is useful when you want an agent to only consider information that you provide, such as agent only basing their responses on an internal support article when providing advice. This gives you full control over how your AI behaves. One last thing, let's actually talk about response styles before you go. So, the response style determines the tone your agent will use when responding to requests. You can choose from the following options. We have analytical. This option is recommended when accuracy is more important than diplomacy. This option is focused on providing information as cleanly as possible. Then we have creative. This approaches questions in a more human way, like your host, Jose Ignacio, and it changes answers every time to react to the conversation. This option works best when solutions vary based on the situation. And the final one that I strive to be, and that is balanced, a mix of both analytical and creative. This is an excellent option for situations with external customers who need accurate information but would also appreciate a bit of personality in their responses. Once again, Jose Ignacio. And there you have it. It's that simple. AI agents in Odoo aren't just about generating text. They're about combining prompts, capabilities, and knowledge into a superpowered assistant. Be sure to check back here for more AI tutorials and check out the links below for more information. Until next time, Odooers, have a snack. I am having edamame today.